In this video, I'll show you how you can set up Gmail so when you get an email from a specific person, you can get that email to automatically be sent to another folder. So I'll show you what I mean and I'll show you what options you've got. So let's say you're on your Gmail inbox here. Now let's say you have an email from someone that's important that you want to save. And you want to save all of their emails going forward and put them into a new folder. So what you would do is you would highlight the email. You would then go to the three dots and then go to filter messages like these. And now you're going to be filtering all of the messages from this email. You can also delete this and filter by subject. So if you're getting a lot of spam emails with the word money in, maybe you can filter out those emails and send them all to spam. But for the video, let's say this is a really important email and you want all of the future emails from this to go to a new folder. So we're going to filter all future emails from this person. We're then going to create filter. And now we can choose what we want to do once we get an email from that person. So if you wanted to mark all of these emails as important, you could do. You can also choose to add a label. So if we apply the label, we can go to new label and I'll just call it business. So now all of these emails in future from this person will go into business, into the business label, and they will be marked as important. So we can create that filter and that's all you've got to do. So that's how you can filter out emails automatically when they come through